Great, let's go ahead and take a peek at this question. So this one is a bit tricky because you have to organize your data. So I'm going to draw a Venn diagram because that is generally a quick way to organize things. So in this case, we have a certain school, 17% of students are enrolled in a psychology course, 28% are enrolled in foreign language, 32% are enrolled in psychology, foreign language, or both. So what is the probability that a student chosen at random from the school will be enrolled in both a foreign language course and a psychology course? So first of all, I want to define my two events. So I have being enrolled in a psychology course, I'll just call that event P, and being enrolled in foreign language, I'll just call that event F. So now I want to look at my numbers. So it says 17% of students are enrolled in a psychology course. So that's this circle should add up to 17%. So just for the sake of numbers, I'll pretend like there's 100 people in this survey. And then, so that would 17% would mean 17 of them took psychology. And then 28%, or like if I just imagine there being 100 people, 28 of them did foreign language. So what I'm trying to find in the final question is the overlap because they use the word and. So these are not mutually exclusive because obviously you can take a psychology course and a foreign language course at the same time, and, in the same semester. So we want to find the overlap of where we have both people. So how many people do both courses? So we want to look at is the wording here. They've given us this 32%, and it says this is people that just take psychology, or they take a foreign language, or they take both. So this 32 is essentially these three regions added up together because you have just the psych people, just the foreign language people, and the both. So I kind of have a way right now of finding potentially that overlap. So what I do know is that I have 17 people that took psych plus the 28 people that took foreign language. But if I just add those two numbers up, I've double counted my question mark or my overlap. So I know I'll have to kind of get rid of that one time. But altogether, that should add up to 32 people in the end, because that would be taking out the overlap would give me at one time would give me those three sections. So if I just kind of solve for the question mark here, these two together is 45 people minus what number would give me 32. So the difference between 45 and 32 is 13 people. So my question mark has to be 13. So that if I put 13 in the middle, I can kind of double check. Okay, well, if 13 go here, that means there's just 4 people that only take psych on their own. And in this case, there would be 15 people. Yeah, 15 people. So this would be 28 altogether that would just do foreign language. And if I add up 4 plus 13 plus 15, I'm going to get 32, which is that just psych, just foreign language, or both phrasing. So in this case, D is going to be your best option.